Today we are going to go over PandasAI, owned by Venturi and his team of 15 collaborators. This is a really cool project in its early stage, and instead of using Python commands, you can run prompts or statements for queries or visualizations. It can use OpenAI or StarCoder for the LLM, and the project has a couple of to-dos anyways still in the works. So you can start off immediately by cloning their Google Colab notebook, but I will give you a quick run through. Initially, we pip install PandasAI by running the dependencies, importing the API key, and here I did this using a text file I had uploaded on my Google Drive. They suggest for you to use a data frame located in the GitHub repo, but I decided to pull a random dataset dealing with cirrhosis off Kaggle. Here the dataset is quite small, and we do see a couple of NaN values that need cleaning. But I instantiate the PandasAI package and pass the data frame with a prompt. My first query is just asking how many females are present, but the results fail to give me a number. And instead of using a letter X as a possible mask, I try to give it some creative commands like cleaning the dataset. But it seems as if the data frame is not being read directly. So we head to visualization, and initially it doesn't generate any histogram. So I simplify the statement and we do get a simple histogram. However, despite having it in the description, the x-axis and y-axis are not displayed on the histogram. So then, I proceed to ask, label the x and y-axis. But it has this weird error of no code found in the response. So I change it up a little more and it still fails to do so. But that's fine. I think this is a fun use case of AI. I think it's something I'm going to look into later on. And if you enjoyed it or want to work with the collaborators, I will include the link in the description below. And just subscribe for more AI or learning videos. So take care.